Now, let's actually implement validation so that a request such as this one fails, as it obviously should. To achieve this, we can use a feature that comes out of the box with Nest, which is the validation pipe. To use it, we just have to instantiate it globally. If we come here, we could do this in the main file. However, I prefer a more encapsulated approach, so we'll use a module for it. I'll then go to the terminal, and in here I will stop the application with Ctrl+C, and here I'll then create the module. I can do this by writing nest g for generate module, or just mo for short, comma. This common module will serve for us to house anything not pertaining to a more specific place, like some global enhancers, such as the validation pipe. Now that it has been created, I can go to it, and in here, inside the module decorator, I can create the providers array, and inside here, I will instantiate my pipe. To use the pipe, I will need to write here provide app pipe, which represents a global pipe, and then use value as I insert here an instance of the validation pipe, new validation pipe. With this set, we can now actually choose the validation we want for our fields. We'll do it using decorators from the class validator package. So we'll go back here to the terminal and install two packages. Class validator and class transformer. Now that they are installed, I can go back to the create user DTO, and over these fields, I can choose which validation I want. So over the name field, I'll use a decorator with the @ symbol is string from class validator. Now with this, the name field must be a string. And now I use the same validation for the other fields. And save. Now I'll just run the application again. And if I come back to Insomnia and send the same request again, it will now fail, as it should. So let's see the problems. Name, phone, and password should be strings. So let's change name to John once again. Well, email is apparently okay, so let's leave it as it is for now. Phone must be a string. But even then, we can pass any gibberish in here too. And also password should be a string. So let's return password to its previous value. If we send the request again, now it is working, but it still shouldn't be. The email and the phone are gibberish, and this field should not even exist. In the next lesson, We'll learn how to use more specific validators for cases such as these. So, until the next lesson.